Hey guys, I want to go through the notes. Had a few questions on it, so let's go ahead and tackle it. Now, if you notice, I posted a solution key to all of the checking for understanding questions, as well as the bell word. Okay, so let's start here. Remember earlier in the year we talked about heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures. Okay, a homogeneous mixture is basically if you combine two or more things, you see something with a uniform composition. So an example of that would definitely be this T here. And that's about it. The rest of these, blood could be, but blood gets a little tricky, so let's not even deal with that. But we got the sand and water here, definitely heterogeneous. We have the pho here, definitely heterogeneous. And then we have this drink here that we can see layers starting to form. Okay, whatever's mixed in here has two different viscosities. Okay, and the layers are starting to separate. So this is the only one where we see that uniform composition. Okay, so heterogeneous, homogeneous. Now, we like to call homogeneous mixtures solutions and heterogeneous mixtures suspensions. Okay. All right. Now, to the next slide. Here comes your definitions, and in terms of a solution, because obviously this unit is all about solutions, solutions contain a solute and a solvent. The solvent dissolves the solute. The solvent is always in the larger amount. Okay, now, does a solution have to be a liquid? Absolutely not. A solution can be a metal, a specific type of alloy. It could be the air we breathe, so it's in a gaseous state. So there's different types of states of matter that a solution can be in. Okay. Now, why is the air we breathe a solution? Well, nitrogen, which consists of about 78% of our atmosphere, it's in abundance over the other gases, so it's actually able to dissolve all the other gases. So if it dissolves something, right, it's the solvent, it's dissolving solutes, so it is therefore a solution, as you can see by this diagram right here. And this is steel beams, right? Steel beams is essentially an alloy consisting of steel and iron and possibly other additives. And when it's at a liquid level, they mix them and it hardens back up, and you got your solution. You see one uniform composition. All right. Now, what are not solutions? Obviously, heterogeneous mixtures, and then your pure elements and compounds. Okay. In order for there to be a solution, not only does it need to have a uniform composition, but you need to have a solvent and a solute. That's why water is not a solution. It's a solvent. It's a universal solvent. Okay, to answer this question.